Hi, my name is Tristan Johansson, and in this presentation over Chapter 5, I will present and explain all 7 elements of design, with examples for each. Space is the the space that we are given to work with. Space can be positive or negative. For example, the menu on the right here. The text, symbols, and graphics make up the positive space, while the white, empty space is the negative space that isn't actively being used. Now, of course, space is mandatory for design. All design happens within the space. This negative and positive space isn't set in stone, however. In some instances, the space is negotiable, like this optical illusion here at the bottom. Depending on which you focus on, the dark or the light changes whether the positive space forms a vase or the faces either side. Lines are one of the base tools for creating and separating positive and negative space. These lines can vary from a straight, simple point-to-point or a complex curved line that weaves across the page. These lines don't even have to be solid. These lines can be traced with our eyes and imagination to create borders for anything that guides the path of the eye is a line. A shape is defined by lines ending on their original starting point. Shapes can be organic or inorganic. Geometric and perfect shapes are considered inorganic, which means natural, weird shapes are organic. Shapes that make silhouettes can instantly be recognized and trigger emotions within ourselves. Size or scale is simply how big or small something is. Size can be used to make objects seem closer or further from the viewer and used to create a hierarchy of important information for things like text. Color is so complex and important because it has so much power. Colors convey emotions quite effectively. Colors can also coordinate items and areas while also drawing our attentions. Good artists can create the illusion of texture on their works. Using soft lines to draw the hair on a cat makes us know that that cat is soft. It's a complex combination of all the other elements of design to create the right texture here. Pattern can be used to force texture into our minds. Value is the tones of light and dark. The value from white through all shades of gray all the way to black is called grayscale. In grayscale, gray stands for other colors in our mind. Value, and by extension shadow, create depth in images, making them seem 3D. Thank you for watching my presentation.